Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be trying out two nostalgia products. These are products I bought many years ago and I used to love them years ago, so I'm hoping I still love them now and you can still get them from this day. Now, they are the Collection Bronze and Glow Enriched with Vitamin E Coconut Scent Bronzer. And I also have the MUA Hide and Conceal Full Coverage Concealer. Now, this was in a slightly different packaging many years ago, but it literally is exactly the same bronzer. They've just changed the packaging. And this MUA stick is pretty much exactly the same. They've just changed the font on it slightly. The only difference is, I'm pretty sure these were cheaper years ago. This was like £1 a long time ago, but now it's $1.99. And I think this one was $1.99, but I think it's gone up to $2.99. If I am incorrect, I will put it on screen. But I believe this is like $2.99 now, so it's gone up by £1. But I just can't believe they still sell these. I bought these when I was like 17, 18. And I remember loving these two products. So I was like, oh, let's just go down memory lane. I'm going to apply both of these to my face and give you guys my honest thoughts. So, if you guys could enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar down below. So, if you guys want to know my thoughts on the MUA Hide and Conceal Full Coverage Concealer and the Bronze and Glow Enriched Vitamin E Coconut Scented Bronzer. Both of these, I forgot to mention, are very inexpensive as well. Just keep watching. Right guys, let's test out two nostalgia products. So I have the Collection Bronze Glow Bronzer and I have the MUA Hide and Conceal Full Coverage Concealer. And this one is in the shade Natural. Right, we're going to start with the concealer stick first. So this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like a lipstick applicator, but it's not. And this is the colour. Oh, I used to use this so much when I was a kid. When I was about, well, I think I first bought this when I was like 18 years old. And what I used to do is I used to use this on my face. This is before I wore foundation. I used to wear this on my face, use a bit of setting powder, and that was my good to go. Even my sister was like, what are you wearing on your face? It doesn't look that heavy. It was this. It was this one right here. And that's what I'm going to do today. I've only added a little something under my eyes and set it there. That's it. The rest of it's completely bare because I wanted to test out its full coverage. So, I used to buy the lighter shade Fair. I used to use that under my eyes actually. Okay. So I'm going to test it here because there's quite a lot of bit of acne there. So I'm just going to swipe it there. And I'm also going to do a little bit down my chin area. This is how much I used to use back in the day. A little bit here. Now I wouldn't actually use a beauty sponge back in the day. I used to use a brush. So this little eyeshadow brush will be perfect for stippling it in. So I used to get my brush, or I'd use my fingers sometimes, and literally I would just start blending this in. That's impressive. That's covered up really well. Don't know how well you guys are going to see, but are you kidding me right now? This has covered up pretty much the redness I have. I will insert a clip of before so you could see I had like a bit of redness on my cheek and on my chin. But you guys can see, I've just zoomed you guys in so you can see a better look. Is it going to cover up like really big heavy redness on the cheeks? No, but will it tone it down and it doesn't feel heavy? Yeah, absolutely. But you can see I had the redness on my cheek and it's completely toned it down. Look, even on my chin. So I'm just going to add just a bit more here just to cover up a bit more of the darkness I've got here. It's as good as I remembered it. Oh my gosh, and they still sell it from this day. Oh my goodness. Right, I'm going to powder my face and we'll try out the bronzer. Okay, I've powdered my face and it hasn't dried my skin at all, that concealer. So, I've got this Collection bronzer here. This is what I had many moons ago in its old packaging. This is the Collection Bronze Glow Enriched with Vitamin E and Coconut Scented. Wait, it's still coconut scented? What? Oh my gosh. Bronzer Sculpt Your Face, buildable, blendable powder infused with vitamin E. And it is in the shade Light Terracotta 2. Yep, exactly the same shade I had. This is what it looks like. And this is the colour. They haven't changed the smell. They haven't changed it. They really haven't. I'm going to go with a clean angled brush. Oh, bit of my hair stuck to that. And we're just going to apply this. This is a matte bronzer, by the way. This is not shimmer, it's matte. So we're just going to apply this. Stunning. Not much to say about that, but stunning, beautiful colour. It's not too dark, not too light. Appears to be blending really well. Thought I'd show you guys a close-up of the bronzer. It's a really pretty colour. It's really, really nice. Right, I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and give you guys my final thoughts. Alright, so my final thoughts on these two products. This is just as amazing as I remembered. This is still creamy. This still blends really nicely. I just wish they expanded the shade range because they've only got 3. They've got Fair, they've got this one, and I believe Almond is the darkest shade they've got, I believe. But this is great for blemishes, little touch-ups on the go. It's really good. It's really, 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 really nice. It blended nicely. It glides beautifully. Still love this. Recommend this. Love it. I think this is great. Love it. The bronzer is just how I remembered it. The colour was just perfect and it blended beautifully. I think this one was the shade, yeah, Light Terracotta 2 Matte Bronzing Powder. This is still really, really nice. I love how blendable it is, how buildable it is. It's so inexpensive as well. I'm not sponsored by any of these brands, by the way. I bought these with my own money. I just wanted to buy these to go down memory lane. And I forgot to mention as well, there's a little hole on the back of it as well. So if you want to put this in like your Z palette or something, you could pop this out and put it in your palette collection. So if you're a makeup artist or you just want to travel with specific ones in a palette, you can definitely do that. So I love these products. I'm so happy I repurchased them. I love these two. And I highly recommend the pair of them. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to, link in the description bar down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. You have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys, take care.